Good afternoon, everyone. Last lecture we will discuss about the project management software. Okay, section first is complete. First chapter project management, second network compression, third part, fourth is project management software. Second section is first section is a construction engineering management. Second section is the construction practice, means construction site safety, bulldozers, okay, major equipments, and then mechanical versus manual construction, prefabrication units means advanced framework and special construction. This topic is second section means construction practice. First, construction safety. Main part for the what is the construction means safety, what is safety, what is construction site. Okay, main part of the construction site safety. Main safety, the civil engineering in the main construction site, the civil engineering industry is one of the biggest industry modern times. It is also an industry where extensive use of labor is required, and anywhere such large amount of human labor is involved, a matter of safety arises. In India, safety in construction is not a serious issue and is neglected quite often. Means, for proper development and growth of economy, apart from rapid industrialization, is stable and productive workforce is a must. Means to build a productive workforce, it is essential that management strive to meet the workers' social, physiological, and welfare needs and take steps to humanize the work and work environment. Main part of the construction site, the main what is safety. Safety is a difficult term to define due to relatedness of several factors. Means very often safety is adjusted in terms of inverse relationship with accident rate. Means high rate means low safety and high vice versa. Means the theoretically, safety would mean the absence of danger at work, which is made possible by eliminating the hazards that create the danger. Means more practical definition would be a thing is provisionally categorized as safe if it risks are deemed known and in light of knowledge to acceptable. Means the safety can also defined as the condition of enterprise, the operations in which by controlling the hazardous means accident-free product is achieved. Okay. Then main part for construction site safety. Construction site safety is the first introduction means few facts. Second is the construction accident, and third safe access on site, working at height and leader safety. Then roof safety, excavation work and crane safety, traffic vehicle and plane goods first, electricity, working near sewage and PPE safety success. means तुम्ही साईटवर वर्क वगैरे करत असाल तर काळजी घ्यायला हवी हेल्मेटची, किंवा कसलं हे असेल तर हेल्मेट घालणं जरुरी आहे. ओके, कुठले ऍक्सिडेंट वगैरे होणार नाही. ओके. Why does the issues of the safety arises? Mean due to frequent accident, there is a loss of labor, money, time, and materials. Materials due to the accident, there is also a loss of reputations of the builder. Okay. What is the accident? Accident म्हणजे काय, नेमका accident ची definition काय? Okay. First, Accidents are readily recognized when there is a damage to properties and someone in injuries. Means generally, an accident is defined as an event which is unexpected or cause of which is unforeseen, or it can also be defined as any occurrence that interpret or the cause of which is unforeseen. Yes. Means, however, it is not always easy to determine to what extent accident are direct result of the working environment only. Okay. Means there may be lack of proper means the safety equipment at work site. Okay. Then long working hours may cause fatigue, means improper living condition and improper working conditions. And first few facts. First is the first week on each new site is the most dangerous. Means the accidents are more frequent at the end of the day. Means the small building jobs are the most risky. And safety helmets, high-vis jackets and safety boots do prevent injury and death. कधी पण construction site मध्ये सगळे रूल फॉलो करायला पाहिजे, कारण कधी काय जेव्हा वर्क करत असतो तेव्हा आपल्याला जरूर आहे की हेल्मेट घालायचं, बूट शूज असतात काय, जे काही कन्स्ट्रक्शन करताना जे ड्रेसिंग सेन्स असेल ते घालायलाच पाहिजे. शक्यतो ऍक्सिडेंट हे होऊ शकणार नाही. लाईट वेट शूज सच ॲज अ ट्रेनर or रनर आर नॉट suitable on the site. Construction accident, the breakdown of the fatality according to type of accident construction industry. Okay, 56% falls from height, 21% rapid by something something collapsing or overturning. Means it is for this reason that very often safety means occupational health and 10% stuck by the moving vehicle and 55% contact with the electricity or electrical discharges and 4% stuck by the flying and falling object during the machine lifting of the material. Means 3% contact with the moving machine or the material being machined. Means 1% exposed to hot or harmful substance. Means if it is for these reasons that very often safety of occupational health and working conditions and welfare are breaked together for evaluating measures of accident control as well as promoting safety. Okay. It may be underlined that the construction and the concern for safety is for both person and property structures. Means risk of accident is present in all everyday activities and it is now fair to prevent at work site and can be entirely free and from accidents. However, a more practical way to consider construction site safety and person can go about their normal work without undue risk. Okay. Then safe access on site. Everyone can get to their place of work and safety. Agents from the which people could fall are provided with the down guard, rail and other substance ages protective. Hence, holes are protected with clearly marked and fixed cover to the prevent falls. Then sides is tightly and good lightly and fence of from public. Main part of the safe on and the axis working at height is the height is hazardous on the construction site. Holes in floor, gaps on working platform, shifts and stair falls not adequately covered, barricaded and fenced off. Means using ladder or scaffolding without fixing is crazy. Never is incompleted scaffolding makes sure there are handrails and the toe border at all edges. Things fall on sides, wear your helmet and before starting work at the height check for the clear from any overhead power lines. Okay. Means human causes lack of knowledge, lack of interested in work, other person factors, lack of skill, careless in supervision. Means faculty working practices, substances, use of materials, checking against objects, and no use of protective equipment, no site layout, improper storage of material. Okay. Then structural failures is means failure of foundation for faulty design, natural climates. Okay. effective accident, loss of life, effective of accident is the loss of life and loss of time and escalation project cost. So, leaders means leaders kill a lot of people. Make sure the leader is the right for the job and could scaffolding a cherry picker for better. In right, correct the angle for the cycle in good shape. Secure near the top and on firm base and footing is 4 up to 1 out means rising that at least 1 meter behind the landing and place or that there is a proper land hold means always have firm grip on the leader and keep a good balance. Then six ladder. Never allow more than one person on ladder. Use two belt on the hand lines to care project. First, unsafe and safe. Safe means the direct use tool belt and lines to carry object and do not learn out from the ladder in the any direction. Okay. Then, if you have fear of heights and don't climb a ladder, means do not allow others to work under a ladder in use. Okay, then the roof, risky place to be very simply. Always inspect a roof before you walk on it. You must have protection to stop you from falling off the edge. You must use proper safety harness and running cable and working on to be roof. Remember, walk along the friendly roof and then could be your loss means 50% of fatal injuries involve roofs and falls through the dragging material and 30% falls from edges and openings. Okay. Means the rules of the program safety uh, designer means the rule safety program safety officers. Okay. Then main safety rules of designers in development of project and significant role is played initially by the designer of the project and then by the construction of the project. Means the construction worker safety has often be regarding the role responsibility of the construction contract. Means despite the obvious reason for placing the primary responsibility on the contractor. The safety performance on project may will be detected to large extent by decision made by the designer. In the designer, while design the building may design in such a manner that it become easy to safe for the construction, the higher part of the structure. Okay. Safety programs means the most of the accidents that take place are mostly due to lack of knowledge and skill of the workers and the supervisors. This can be improved by the holding a safety trainer campus for whole site staff and workers. Then specially trained person should be hired to the whole safety campus. Whenever to recruiting a new worker, their experience should be checked and the adequate knowledge of the work should be given to the and given to them. Means keep a record of all the accident took place. Cement excavation work, if you want to avoid being burned alive, apply these rules. Means all excavation deeper than 1.25 meter must be shored or better. Means excavation deeper than 2 meter must have a guardrail or a barrier vehicles working to closed and side of the trench or rubble plies on the side may cause collapse. Vehicles tipping into the excavation must use to stop blockage. Okay. Then excavation work, if you want to avoid in being burned, apply these rules. Then means make sure the excavation is inspected daily. Make sure you know where any cable are before you hit them. Means remember there is no safe ground that will not be collapsed. Train slides can collapse without forming. Okay. Then safety. Main safety is very important in civil engineering industry, but safety skills here in the construction industry, especially in India, is very poor, which result is lots of the uh, casualties which hammers to the normal working of the project. Means a safe working environment can be very easy achieved by the proper interaction of the contractor, designer, and labor. Also, the constitution can also play its part in maintaining the proper habitable condition for the workers and ensures the safety by being strict on those who do not follow rules and penalizing accordingly. Unless all these factors do not work together, and the accident will keep according and safety will be compromised. Means the crane safety is very simple. Means the weight of the load must be carefully estimated, and the crane must be fitted with an automatic safe load interactor. One that workers. The crane must always work on hard level base. Means the load must be properly fixed and secured. Means the uh, bank banksman must be trained to give clear signals. Means never to be carried with load. Okay. Then traffic vehicle and plants. Vehicle and pedestrians should be kept apart, sides separate. Them must be possible using barrier. Okay. Then adequate clearness around wheeling vehicles means avoid reversing where possible and use one-way system. Means vehicle should have reversing alarms, means sensors, passengers only vehicle designed to carry them. Okay. It two unsafe condition and safe condition. Unsafe acts any unsafe condition. Okay. Means rough, sharp or slippery work and defective equipment, overloaded tools and equipment, and improper clothing means the defective ladders and scaffolding. And unsafe acts means not wearing helmets, safety glasses, working while intoxicated, working with insufficient sleep means the failure to use safety belt and polarize and safety net, using hands instead of the hand tools. Last point, traffic vehicle and plant. Means vehicle and pedestrian should kept apart sides means separate them as such possible using barriers. Okay. An adequate clearness around those wheeling vehicles means avoid reversing where possible and use one-way system. Means vehicle should have a reversing alarm and sensors. Means passengers only on vehicles designed to carry them. In the construction sector, construction is most dangerous land-based work sector. Okay, the problem is not that hazardous and risks are unknown. Is that they are very difficult to control in a constantly changes work environment. So is every year and many people fall victim to the injury, harm, and even death through the accident on the axis. Okay. Good host means good safety practice installed by competent person, rate capacity, clarity, market and current example and inspection report, sustainable base and enclosure to prevent people being struck by moving part of the host. Means landing gets kept should expect when a platform is at landing. Then electricity, good practice with electricity on site means treat electricity with respect means check constantly that cables are not damaged or worn. Keep training cables off the ground and away from water. Never overload or use makeshift plugs and fuses. Okay. Okay. Well, main part. Hmm. Main importance of the construction safety is life and property and proper management of construction work, and then save the total construction cost, and then reduce worker compensation claims, is increase the productivity and improve employee morale and satisfaction, and reduce insurance cost. Then safety condition in any areas is the construction act. Safety measures, and the safety measures is the different type of the civilian construction is the type is the building a cell bridge road. Okay, safety measures is there are three type of the safety measures. First is the building construction, bridge construction, and road construction. Okay, building construction means preventive measures means the employee should have site safety plans addressing potential hazards which could lead to injury or death, and ensure that roof openings are not left unprotected, unguarded or uncovered means equip all workers on the roof with fall protection means a retractable land ad would allow the helper to do his job and still have fall protection, and require that all hazards on the site and communicate on the ongoing basis to all workers in the area. And then bridge construction in the basic the system design should be flexible. Okay, bridge is the platform is support on the cables and fastened in the equal intervals. Mean the platform installation and deployment and removal process we can with minimal traffic exposure means site trips. Okay. Third part is the traffic vehicle and last is road construction. Using sign and signals and road marking, maintaining traffic speed. Okay. Main part of the traffic is three red, yellow, green. Okay. Railing should be provided in hilly road means a remote distributed vehicle. The construction material should have better quality. Overloading vehicle should not be permitted on the road means supervision guarding and curvature should be maintained. Main root causes for a construction accident: inadequate construction planning and scheduling, lack of proper training, deficient in enforcement of training, unsafe equipment, unsafe method or sequencing, unsafe site condition, not using safety equipment that was provided. Okay. Root causes for construction accident means poor communication, lack of insufficient supervision, and absence of safety rules and safety work procedure, lack of the enforcement of the safety rules and safety work procedure, and defective machinery on the site, falling structure or loads, and defective scaffolding for keeps, etc. Okay. Main part for the construction safety. Write down. Write down the construction site safety procedure. जिथं जिथं तुम्ही वर्क कराल तिथं काळजी घेणं आवश्यक आहे. जिथं म्हणजे कुठलं हानी होऊ नये. ज्या साईटवर काम करायचं असेल तर हेल्मेट यूज करणे, बूट यूज करणे. Then construction site safety is the few facts. First is the few facts. There are many parts of the introduction, few facts and construction accidents, safe access on the site, working at height, leader safety, roof safety, excavation work, crane safety, traffic vehicle and plants, goods, post, electricity, working near sewage and PP, and safety success. Security